Get that for Ook?
Yes.
Oh. Are you sure?
Yes.
I thought Ook wanted a dress.
This is the main outside.
Oh. Well, did Ook want a dress or?
Do.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Well, who is that for?
This side.
Who to get it for?
This side.
Okay, let's find something else. Okay, let me see those. Let's...
This is the Ook.
Get that for Ook?
Yeah.
All of that?
Yeah. I could sit on my side.
Oh. Okay, well.
See, I sit on mine.
Oh, yeah? What's the head? What's all the head rolling?
I sit on this stone.
Oh. I keep asking you the same question?
This is to man. This stone.
Well, who's all this stuff for?
This is the man.
Are we getting that for Hallie or Ook?
I said I do the base.
Oh, okay. Well, let's find something else. I don't think I like those. My mommy doesn't like these. Come on, let's put those back. Let's find something else. Let's find something else. Pick that up. Pick it up. Thank you. Thank you.
How old is she?
Almost 20 months.
Oh, wow.
Here, you need help? Here.
This that.
What is that for?
This that.
Or maybe get some from over here. Maybe you can reach that.
This is that. This is that.
For who?
Ook.
For Ook?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
This is Ook.
Oh, Ook.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Ook. Say.
Ook said she wanted that?